Hello, welcome back to the Safe Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela and my mission is to help women gain to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. I also cook a lot of recipes, carnivore, keto, animal-based. So go and have a look at my channel, of course, and consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for being here and welcome back. So today's video, I would like to review and show you guys this book, which is Paul Saladino's Carnivore Code Cookbook. And let's just start by saying that I found it, I don't know, let me know in the comments below, but I found it very bizarre that like he released this book. It was on pre-order on Amazon like ages ago. So I decided to pre-order it and I had to wait months and months to get it. And when it came out, when it was actually published, which I think was supposed to be February or I don't know, February or March, then I didn't see anything about this book. He didn't promote it, no other influencer promoted. He's not like cooking recipes from his own book. Is that the other bizarre thing is that the other day I saw he did a long video with Tom DeLauer, I think, you know what I'm talking about, talking about keto and all that, and behind him he always has like his supplements, his Carnivore Code book, but he didn't have this book. And so I'm just like, even the girls who are in this book, which you're gonna see later, which I think are two sisters, I didn't even see them promoting the book. Like I looked for people like cooking or reviewing, like nothing. I found one review from a guy who does it's just a channel who does general reviews about things, so not even anyone in the carnivore keto community. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any gossip about it. But yeah, I pre-ordered it ages ago, then it finally arrived 8 months ago. It sat on my desk. I kind of had a flick through, and I wanted to show you guys the inside of this book. What is it about? So you can, if you want to buy it, you buy it, but otherwise you can look at it here now. And if you want me to cook any recipes from this book, just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, let's get going and let's have a look at it. Okay, so here is the book. Carnivore Code Cookbook. Reclaim your health, strength and vitality with 100 and plus delicious recipe by Paul Saladino, MD. Let's go. Here's our guy, Paul. So first, there's a little introduction, his story, some facts about current health statistics, which is really useful. Look, these are the girls I was telling you. I don't know what they're called on YouTube, but I've watched several videos of theirs. They have a YouTube channel. If you look, let me show you from close. At least her, I don't know if but I've seen her for sure cooking his recipes before. So yeah, here just talks about the diet and all that. So the science behind the Carnivore Code kind of explains how we evolve, evolution, humans and all that. And basically what has gone wrong with our diet, like all the facts like about, you know, red meat being misled by the FDA and all those kind of things, which if you're new to this is probably really useful information for you, of course, like us seasoned carnivores, animal-based people, we already know all this stuff. But I think if you're new to this lifestyle, I think this is really good information. Here he talks about carbohydrates, which is his favorite, as we know, his favorite argument to talk about. And yeah, here, talks a lot of different lifestyle choices that can impact your health, like alcohol consumption, smoking, low sodium diets and all that. Here's a really nice picture of Paul on a horse trotting away from a church, believe it or not. And then he explains basically what he's about, like, how, like, the best foods for what to eat, what to avoid, like low toxicity, medium toxicity, and then high toxicity foods. The good stuff, what you eat and why. Self-explanatory. Of course, meat, organs, liver, heart, like all of those, bone marrow, dairy, difference between A1 and A2, very important. Honey, trigger word, his favorite thing. Fruits and squash. Cycling of carbohydrates. And just explain, basically he talks about cooking oils, beverages, sparkling water. We know that he's not a fan of coffee and carbonated drinks and all that. And then he talks about animal-based, transition from carnivore to animal-based, talks about vitamin C, ethics of animal eating, sourcing, which here I'm sure he talks about, beef has to be grass-fed, grass-finished, panda massage, blessed by the stars of the gods. I don't believe in that. I think all beef is good. So yeah, he gives you some nice question to ask your farmer or your butcher, how your meat was raised, which is really good. Like pork and poultry, I would say, is the ones that you have to question the most, where how they grown. Like there is a massive difference because they're not ruminant animals like beef and lamb. Beef has been proven that even if they eat a really bad diet, it doesn't transfer into the meat, which is really good. The carnivore kitchen, and here is our Paul happy with a steak. And just gives you some really practical advice on like kitchen equipment, pantry, fridge, your protein, your fats, your carbs, seasonings, and all this, which is really useful. How to balance your macronutrients, cooking methods, all different cooking ways, salting, brining, water baths. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, if you're new to cooking, then this is definitely really good. His favorite, all the organs. And here it's really useful. He actually gives you some practical meal plans that you can follow, which I think is really good if you're just starting off. So this is a carnivore, and then there is a animal base, which includes some plant foods. Cute turkey picture. Part 2, the recipes. And this is here where I had expectations, and something that really disappointed me, as you can see, is where are the pictures? Like they're not like 0 pictures. Okay, I don't need a picture of bone broth, which he put, but I don't need it because like we know how bone broth looks. All these stocks, fine. Kefir, fine. Cheese, homemade butter, cream cheese. Okay, I don't maybe need pictures. Tallow, definitely don't need a picture. Easy, sweet pickled carrots. Look, space here, empty. Where's the picture? Red meat, simple beef rump roast. Okay, maybe I don't need a picture of that. Shredded bison with poached eggs and fresh herbs. I would love to see a picture of that. Skirt steak fajitas. Also, no picture. Ossobuco pumpkin stew, and so on. No pictures, no pictures. Like, look at this empty page here. Grilled Mediterranean lamb chops with herb roasted squash. Sounds lovely. Where is the picture? White sauce zucchini lasagna. Again, so much space. Did you... I guess they tested this recipe. Why couldn't they not take some pictures? I don't know. I put a sign here because this was interesting. Teriyaki bone marrow burgers with plantain buns. Again, I don't know why they're supposed to look like. You eat with your eyes first. Picture of general beef roast. Yeah, we don't need that. Chuck roast. We all know how it looks. This is a relatively nice picture. Makes me want to eat this. Really good. The squash and apricots actually look really nice. Yeah, this is nice, but I know how a steak looks like, isn't it? So and so on. I'm not gonna show you every... But yeah, there are some pictures. Beef stroganoff over egg noodles, which also this looks quite appetizing actually. Little squash, like boats thing. He loves his acorn squash. Gyros with tzatziki. This is nice. This makes me want to cook this. Well done. Then is pork, which he made like a million videos about why you shouldn't eat it. I guess he promotes like a soy-free, comb-free, free-range pork and poultry. Sweet and sour duck legs. Yum, yum, yum. This looks amazing. Roasted turkey with balsamic blueberry sauce. This looks kind of Christmassy. Slow cooked apple sage carnitas. Okay, okay. Seared scallops and zoodles with cilantro citrus sauce. This does look nice, doesn't it? Like an appetizer type thing. Zesty shrimp and celeriac grits with bacon. I mean, this does look good. Like, this looks like a hearty, nice meal. And I didn't know celeriac was in the okay list, which is good to know because in winter celeriac can make a lot of nice dishes. Picture of salmon, and then sauces and dips, which this is quite interesting actually. There are quite a few sauces that I see up a sign here for this teriyaki sauce, which then let's look at it from close. The ingredients are beef gelatin, cold water, coconut aminos, which I didn't know Paul would approve of coconut aminos, good to know. Vinegar, honey, ginger. I'm very surprised that he includes ginger as it's a root, and he says the root is the worst part of the plant, or he says the seeds are the worst part of the plant. I don't know, but I'm sure he's talked about roots being bad, so I'm very surprised that he includes ginger in his recipes. Okay, I love ginger, so I have nothing against it. Then let's go zoom out. Tomato sauce, honey balsamic glaze, and then you have bakes and ramekins. There's a nice frittata here. Flatbread, flatbread 3 ways. Thick Iberico ham, Iberico bacon flatbread, yum. Yeah. Plantain bread, I put, I mean, this is not low carb or even like, not even remotely, because it's like plantains are full of sugar. I love plantains, I eat them once in a while. French toast sticks with poached eggs. Looks nice. The Real Meat Lovers Pizza. This is like a meat-based pizza, which I'm sure as any carnivore we try to make one. Roasted beef panini. I mean, this looks proper. You have, yeah, from these the meat flatbreads. And yeah, it does look nice. Pumpkin sage risotto. What is this risotto made of? Of pumpkin, I guess. I'm not sure. Pumpkin is more like a puree than more like a mash. Carnivore carnivore waffles. And oh, this is the nice frittata. As like a quiche. Beef chick tacos. Honey glazed cinnamon bagels. Carnivore tortillas. The Saladino speciality. Beef liver, bone marrow, beef stew meat, salt taste. Wow, what a recipe. And then we have tongue sweetbread tacos. Nice. Blah. More recipes with offer. And then at the end we got desserts, which I'm sure you all interested. Tapioca pudding, which is made with 12 ounces of beef tendons, 4 egg yolks, heavy cream, honey, butter, and raisins optional. And I guess you make like a gelatin. Interesting. Carnivore frosting, pumpkin custard, ice cream, honey and blackberry ice cream cookie sandwich, eggnog. Oh, where did I put this? Strawberry lemon sherbet. I wanted to try. And then I put a sign here for yogurt cheesecake with blueberry lemon compote. The crust is made of pork rinds, so I don't know if I would make that or just leave the crust out and make it crustless. Bavarian cream pie with apple and pear. That sounds nice. And then just the end basically. Gives you some additional, some information, some suppliers. And that's it. Here, so I reviewed for you this book from Paul Saladino, Carnivore Cookbook. And yeah, I would love to hear in the comments below if you did find value in this video, what you thought about this book. If you saw any recipes that you would like to try, or you would like me to test it out for you so you don't have to. Yeah, that's basically it for today. I just wanted to show it to you. And but yeah, I got nothing to add. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. As usual, share it with your friends and family. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.